So guys, if you're trying to you know do this on your Snapchat and it's not really not working, this is what you have to do. First of all, if you tap on the search over here, then you type in anything over here, then it says this, which is this over here. See, couldn't load results, try again. And when you tap over here, this is how to fix it. So first of all, go back to your phone menu, tap on Google Play Store, then you tap on the search over here, tap on the search app and search in for Snapchat. So search in for Snapchat. Now what you have to do is to make sure you have the latest update of Snapchat. So make sure you have this latest update of Snapchat. So if you see update over here, just tap on update to get the latest update of Snapchat. And what you have to do next is to go to your phone settings and tap on your Snapchat for some while. Now what you have to do is to tap over here on the app info. Now next, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Then after that, go back and tap on the storage and cache. Now tap on the clear cache. So go back again, then tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Then after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while and tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Hope this video has been helpful.